lang. It's so crowded and just feel that the place is so crowded and small. Like it's yeah, very smooth and it's dark. Maybe because of the rides, people are coming because this happens just once a year in their place, only during fiestas or there are celebrations every year. Dire dapit oh, dire dapit da. Ay dito dapit kay mo ana siya sa kalsada. Dira kay arong may kon. Asa man sila ninang? Ah. Hey, how's your day? How's your day? Yeah, it don't happen all the time. Yeah, it's true. Maybe it will just become fun when I go ride a Ferris wheel. But I don't feel like riding right now because I'm nauseous. Yeah, I feel nauseous. Maybe I will throw up when I ride. Ayaw, nak, no, no. Class again tomorrow. Ito sa bubbles maybe. Ay, ito ka na basketball. No, don't go there. Oh, by the way, do you play basketball? What? Asa sila Jelay? Nanakay? Gamay mani. This is just a small.
Anna, what not being?
Candy floss. That is for sale. I didn't see one. I didn't see one. Maybe they're selling it around, but I didn't see it. What's that? Toffee apple. Is it a drink? Halika dito, dito ka lang. So I'll show you the Ferris wheel. I'm trying to enlarge. Yeah, that's it. Have you tried riding a Ferris wheel? Nisakay ka, ate? Nisakay ka. What's toffee? Not familiar with toffee. Is it apple with toffee all over it? What's that? Is it chocolate or what? Ay, dapat dahil nag-highlight ko. Okay. What age? Yeah, when I was 10 years old or 12, I forgot. It was elementary days.